how to buy hyper pigmentation token. So this token came under the symbol of hyper. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Check their Telegram channel to be included on their X account. As you can see, this token is available on the screen. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your funds wallet as or any wallet that you use. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. This is now after that security provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of this information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy hyper token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.